think in terms of doing innovative methods, there's plenty of rooms in a university. Of course, we have graduate students in one skilled competence according to their scientific background. But after they gain their degree, there's plenty of room for trainings, workshops, and webinars that allows them to get more opportunity to get alternative strategy on education, especially when it terms on restoration, where we engage with a lot of sectors with a lot of scientific backgrounds, and that allows interdisciplinary approach come together in that alternative design.
As IFSA is one of the global network, the biggest network of forestry students, we believe that by adding student perspective and the curriculum making, the curriculum design, we can make a transformative education and a transformative curriculum that is actually fit with what students need and also what it takes to get a landscape restoration professional. With the collaboration between IFSA and also CIFOR-ICRAF, that is really harness the role of students in the curriculum design making, especially in restoration education. It is strengthened our involvement, especially in the landscape restoration education.
If you are talking about innovation, I'm going to talk about the using of technology. I can imagine that we are recording some kind of environment and then deploy it into PR system with something like that, and then student can easily observe the environment without directly going to that location. So that one thing, and also we can employ the innovative way, such as by using learning management system, by self-paced learning, so we can produce some kind of modules that the student can learn it from module 1, module 2 until the end of the courses. That's the innovative way, because we know the student now is already having some kind of digital literacies. If we are compared with the older generation, they already there, they already can able to use the computer with something like that. So basically, the online platform is not solely tools to delivering the knowledge. It should be also kind of a companion. So in my opinion, the traditional method, such as the lecturer delivering in the class, delivering the presentation in the class, that will also be good. But it's not only that. We need also some kind of activities in the class, not only hearing the lecturer presenting the material, but also some kind of activity in the class, discussing, doing project-based learning. Just basically a collaboration within the class. So, and then we have online platform accompanying the whole process of education.